I forgot. I want to show you guys how much my sister pay for sending the box uh, for here. Let me see that price there. $9,000 blurry. 9,100. 9,130. I don't know what is plus 20. It's blurry, guys. Hello mga kagarots! Maayong hapon, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. I'm finally, I'm gonna share with you guys what I got today. I'm finally got my box from my sister in the Philippines. And that box, this box, I've been thinking like almost, what date they send it? They sent it in 25th of April and now it's 15th of May. So I finally got it and I want to show you what is inside while I really want to get this. And how much this box for sending? My sister sent this to the, is it EPS? EMS for 9,130 pesos. So, plus, including everything what she's doing, she dried, she bought fish, so give her, send more than that. So, I'm gonna show you guys what is inside. Let's unboxing. Wait, where is the front? Like that? And by the way, I want to show you guys what happened to the box. It's the first time I seen the box that full of stocks. See? Around. That's in the side. Also there. Oh my gosh. And the side, only that one and that one and that one. Nothing here. But that one there. And this one here. So, a lot of stocks. Now let's open it. Is that a good picture there? I'm gonna lay this one. No wonder this box is already open, but I hope it's nothing missing. It's already open. It's just holding with that tape, but the back is already cut off. Why? And here too. Why did you do that? Well, you said don't cut the stump. Let's get here. Is that good view there, huh? We cut it. Okay, thank you, Mary Ann Solid. I get the package from you. Look at that. No one can steal it. So we cut this one first, guys. I'm excited to. I think this is the squid. Remember, of course, anyone pay for like 9,000 pesos for this. You gotta be excited to say what is in here. And thank you very much for my sister, because this is homemade. She really made dried it by herself. That's their business in the Philippines, selling fish. Too much. I asked my sister. She said, "I don't think so. I will gone because of somebody can, because I use the whole tape, and it's true." It's like the squid. Taran, taran, taran. Taran, guys. Taran. We're gonna be stink inside the house. Wow, but I don't think so. This is because my sister, she knows how to do it. Oh no, double. We still have in here. Yeah. Ah, you can smell it. She dried this. I don't know how many days, guys. I can't believe it. She really did send it to me, and then, well, I'm excited, and I give her the money back. This is the dried fish. Where is the squid? Huh? You want me to open outside? Because stinks dead fish now. We have to have a bag now. A ziploc bag. Okay, now we know what it is. You're too far. What happened? This is a tulingan. Like a tuna. Dried fish. Tulingan. Oh, yeah. Look at that. He mixed it. Tulingan, guys. Tulingan and tikab. This is a tikab. This is tulingan. See, mackerel. They call mackerel. This is like a tuna. I don't know what's the real name. Look at that. Woo! Don't think if you're a girl and don't take a bath of how many days. The smell. Okay, now we know what it is. So we stop right there. Okay, hold on. So it's like to open the whole thing.
Not a sharper knife.
Huh? Backward.
Not a sharper knife.
I want the scissor faster. Look at that, guys. It's worth it. We buy the package anyway. We buy from the Asian store here in America, like from Australia. Where we bought it from California. We order the stuff like this also. We only get like in one package, and then the fish that mostly I don't like it. But this is the fish that I like. Oh my gosh, my sister. Thank you very much, Mary Ann. I love this fish. I really do love it. Thank you very much, my sister. You are the best one. Look at that. This is my favorite. This is my favorite. And that's how a lot there. Too many. Show her. Show that. Show hand. Look. Ooh. How many? She said it's not enough. This is too not too much. But this is too much. See? It is a lot, guys. A lot. See? This is a lot. And it's worth it. Thank you very much. And this is, I'll go get the scissor. Princess, can you bring the scissor here? And you put it on that side there. Put it on that side. This is a lot. So see, hon, it's worth it in how many you buy, how many times. I don't know what it is, but let's open this. Okay. Okay, I don't know what it is, guys. I wanna open this next one, the next one. Magbisaya unta ko, guys. I wanna speak Bisaya, even because my English is tumbling. But I'm not loading this. I'm not the one upload. My husband, the one's gonna upload this. So I have to speak my tumbling English. Oh, what it is? A small pack. Smells squid. No, it's not. I don't know what it is. Packaging. So many. You can still smell it. Michelle, can you bring the blow scissor here? This is for the clothes. This is for this is the squid. Oh no, it's not. Ooh. Mini. I got to read. Look at the hand. I like this. Huh? This is not totally dry because the thing is wet. I need
ink.
I need because in a hurry you have to send it.
Right.
It's wet. No, not wet. I won't get wrapped. But it's not that, because it's in a hurry. It's not that really dry. I can put it outside now. Huh? It's not that dry, it's wet. See? But it smells good. I think it's just the way it is. This is in a hurry. Put it outside. And the thing's gonna poof. And then gonna be it's a little bit, it's a different guys. It's a little, I think this one because then she have to mill it. Look, it's not that dry, but it's okay. It's not smell bad. I think she put something on it because you can see there is garlic. Is it a garlic? So, and I don't want to put it outside because I don't want the fly, or I don't know, and then I gotta have what do you call that? Maggots or nuggets. You can have a nuggets. Okay. Now we're going to open the third box. Maybe this one's a squid. Let's see. Squid. Oh boy. This is the squids, I believe. Ah. Ooh, the squid! Really? I'm still coughing. I can't really eat that. Very salty, but nah. I think I can eat. I cannot eat, but I think I can. I'm coughing. Look at that, Sarah. Look at that. Look at that, hon. Close up, hon. Close up. Look at that. Sarah. Eh? Sarah. Sarah. Look at that. It's worth it for paying $300. It is worth it. Better than buy somebody else somewhere. And this one is very clear. My sister made it and sent it to me. Ooh, look at that. I'm gonna put the outside for sale. No way. Okay, that's the squid. Hold on, put it down there. Now I want to see what it is. Is there a battery, huh?
Not much. Still going though.
But even the long video, they're gonna watch. Imagine guys, imagine this is from Philippines and how many. I keep checking outside and we keep watching the camera if we seen somebody leave the box outside, because we've been thinking maybe we lost it because you're paying big money for mailing here until just like only a few days, because 9,000 plus. I'm thinking only few days. But we keep checking in the box and then we keep looking the camera in the front if there is the box outside and we missed it. It's not. It's made it actually like what, 3 weeks now?
Mm-hmm.
So we're finally here. So excited and nam 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 nam. Nam 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 nam. I can eat the plastic. This is not about the money. This is about that I can eat this. I have the stuff that I can eat. I look at this store online. There is a lot of stuff. Most of the stuff that I like it says sold. Every time the stuff that I like it sold. This kind sold. So I told my sister if you can send me that, and she sent it to me. She took the time, dried it, and pack it and bring it to even travel far a little bit. Bring it there and send it to me, and then she used her money big time, that 9,000 plus to send it. She's not expected, but it's okay. I told her it's okay. So and I return her money. Plus, of course, Even they got a lot of fish in their area. Even they eat the fish every day, eat as they can, because they have the business. Their business is to buy fish, and those fishers come to their house, and then they are the ones also, buy that fish and sell it. And she still give the time for doing this for me. Did you get the idea when I seen the neighbors and she said she's from abroad, she's going back to Dubai soon? And I say, why not you send the bags for me through her? And she did not made it because I don't know what happened. So kind of, but I told my sisters, just continue, do it, and then I give you whatever it is. And she did it. I love this fish. I love this fish. Love. Oh my gosh. My cough is not gonna be fixed. What do you think? I said, my cough is not gonna be. Ooh! Ta-da! Honey, I miss this. Ta-da! I told her, don't send me a galunggong because I don't want galunggong. I wanna look at this. A small pickup. I told her, don't send me the galunggong because the galunggong's not gonna be. I don't eat the galunggong. But look at this. She sent me. I miss this. Look at that, guys. Oh my God. Thank you very much, my sister. I love this and I miss this very much. Thank you for sending this. Our table is gonna be stinkfish. We have to have a packaging bag, so we can put it in the refrigerator. Or so I want it, because and then we're going back to Cheryl and give some. I'm going back to Evansville soon, because we came there we came there Saturday, right? We celebrated for the Mother's Day, and didn't come yesterday. Friday. So today I'm gonna bring. Probably next week. Look at that. I miss eating this, guys. I really do miss it. Oh, nom. This is a lot. See that one, huh? It's worth it, huh? How much we pay for? $300 worth it. Oh my gosh. Why does it say that only 5 kilos? I love this and I miss this very much. I love this fish. All of it. This is my request. Don't send me different kind of fish because that's not gonna be ate here. Probably somebody else. Look, this is my request. My request. You made it. Nom. I want to eat it right now, but I'm still coughing. Nom. Oh, good. I want to eat it. Can you try it? It's not it. This is very good. This is what I like it, and I miss this very much. Look at that. I miss this. I eat this in the Philippines. My nose is full, I think. I eat this in the Philippines. I'm gonna nom. Look at that. Okay. I'm done, guys. I wanna show you how much it is. How many. Woo! Thank you very much. This is kind of wet, but it's okay. It's not smell bad. It's smell good. It's smell good because I don't know what she did to it. It kind of was not dry. I think she ran out of time because I said I want that dried fish. This also. Oh my gosh, Marianne, how do you do that? Look at that, guys. Look at that. We have to have a plastic ziplock. In I don't know how many hands. You need to get the strong one, huh? That's a squid. That's squid. Looks like I'm sailing. Looks like I'm going to display in my store. This is how a lot. See that how many? My table is full. Ay. My table is full. I want to eat it right now. This is not salty.
I'm gonna go get the.
Alright. Thank you, hon. Okay. I don't know what she did. I don't know what she put. The dried fish. It's really smell good. You can smell the vinegar. You can smell the garlic. You can smell the onion. This one, I don't know. It's too big. Bigger in my face. And look at the legs. The legs. Too long. Look at this. How many, guys? I don't know. I don't know how many kilos this one, but probably. I don't know, probably 3 kilos or 4 kilos. On this one, I don't know. It's still, you can see, it's still a little bit wet. It's not dry enough, but I put that one in the ref. I don't want to dry it outside because maybe the flies pop on it, and I don't want the worm on it. This is a lot. See that? A lot. Mix. Tikab. Tulingan. See? Tikab. Tikab and tulingan. Okay. So, that's what I have. A baby tulingan. A baby tulingan. Nom. baby tulingan. I always want the baby tulingan, and I'll always want from the person who's selling this from Chicago. I go to Chicago and buy, but they always told me that they don't have a small tulingan. I don't know. This is a small pickup, and I love this. My table is full. It's crooked. Looks like I'm selling the. I can't. Look at this squid. This is really a lot, guys. See? It's really a lot. Just put it upside down. Look at that. Nya karon guys kay I have work tonight and the time is 5 o'clock. I have to get ready. So my husband went to get a ziplock for this, and probably I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm gonna put it in a plastic so I can put it in the freezer. Okay. Well, that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Babo. I already packed and I put it in the plastic. So, because I don't have time, I'm gonna go to work. Good morning, siya. Small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, squid, 10, 11 ziplock. This one I fold it because I fold it too big. It's not enough in the bag. See, I fold it. So I have, I can't remember, 10 ziplock or 11, can't remember. So, I'm gonna leave it there for right now. Because I'm gonna take care of myself. I'm going to work.